Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a home improvement project that can truly transform your kitchen, installing a Fireclay Farmhouse sink. These sinks are not only stunning, but also incredibly durable. Let's get started. If you're tired of your old, boring kitchen sink and ready to upgrade to a stylish and functional farmhouse sink, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing your new Fireclay Farmhouse sink. Step 1. Fireclay Farmhouse sink. O silicone caulk. O caulk gun. O utility knife. O level. O tape measure. O drill. O screwdriver. O plumber's putty. O sink clips if needed. Step 2. Prepare the cabinet. The first step is to prepare the cabinet to accommodate the new sink. This may involve removing old plumbing, cutting the countertop, and reinforcing the cabinet. O removing the old sink. O cutting the countertop to fit the sink. O adding support braces to the cabinet. Step 3. Install the sink. Now, it's time to install the sink. This is where precision is key. O applying a bead of silicone caulk around the edge of the sink cutout. O lowering the sink into the cutout, ensuring it's level. O securing the sink with clips or screws, if necessary. Step 4. Connect the plumbing. Next, we'll connect the plumbing to the new sink. This involves attaching the drain pipe and faucet. O attaching the drain pipe to the sink and securing it with plumber's putty. O installing the faucet and connecting the water supply. Step 5. Seal the edges. To ensure a watertight seal, we'll apply a bead of silicone caulk around the edges of the sink. Applying silicone caulk to the gaps between the sink and the countertop. Overall, I've been using my Fireclay Farmhouse sink for over a year now, and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, durable, and easy to clean. While it might be a bit more expensive and challenging to install than a traditional sink, the overall look and feel it adds to my kitchen is well worth it. If you're looking for a high-quality, stylish sink that will last for years to come, I highly recommend Fireclay Farmhouse sink. Thanks for joining us on this kitchen upgrade adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips and reviews. See you in the next video.